Hello, hello, hello. Peekaboo. What's up, Shae Nation? Welcome back to my channel, The Real Shae Love. I'm your host, Shae Love. And before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time your girl upload a video. Okay, you guys. I know. You guys are so upset. Shae Love, where have you been? What have you been doing? Shae Love has been keeping busy. Very, very busy. I've been staying out of trouble. Do you guys see what we're having today? We're having a seafood boil. It's a pajama jam, you guys. I have on my pajamas. Here in Kansas City, I think it's like around 10:30 at night. So after this, it's over. Anyway, how have you guys been doing? I hope you guys have been doing good. Before we get started, let's bless our food. Heavenly Father, in the name of Jesus, I thank you for this food that we're about to receive. Asking that you bless it for the nourishment of my body. Amen. What's up with it, folks? Your girl been busy, I'm telling you. I've been real busy, but I'm here. And I'm so happy to see you guys. I've been really missing you guys. I know the atmosphere looks a little different. And it's because I'm in my living room. And so I just wanted to stop by and chat with you guys and let you guys know what's been going on. Really not too much of nothing. But I have in this seafood boil, I have some crab legs, lobster tails, corn on the cob, sausage, boiled eggs, shrimp, and some luscious sauce that I made. Nothing special. It is really good, but let's dig in while I chit chat with you guys. So what's up? What's been going on, you guys? How's everybody been? I got me a little platter over here for my scrap pieces and everything. I got me a little sauce, a little butter sauce. Got my paper towels. To drink, I have some cherry Pepsi. So what's been up, you guys? How have my people been doing? I hope all is well with everyone. I've been doing okay. Been staying out the way. Having a lot of events going on in my family. We've been planning a wedding. My little brother is getting married. Shouts out to Damon and Nakisha. They're getting married this Saturday. And so we've been busy preparing for that. So I planned her a bachelorette party. And it was off the chain. We had a lot of fun. Played games and drank a little jungle juice. If you've never heard of jungle juice, it's just flavored liquor of your choice. Fruit. A fruit drink. You mix it all up, the liquor, the fruit drink, stir it all up and let it chill a couple hours before the party so that the fruit can suck up and soak up the liquor and everything else. And it is good. It is really good. They really enjoyed it. Woo! It was hot. So, yeah, that's what we've been doing. I am a bridesmaid in the wedding. And so, my kids and I are in the wedding. So, I've been busy, guys, getting us ready for that. That's hot, y'all. I mean, it's hot. The steam, the temperature. So real quick, you guys, I want to mention, bring to your attention this seasoning that I've been using here in Kansas City. It's called Fieldsville Seasoning&Rub. This flavor is called Brunette. And I will leave the information in the description box below. It is really, really, really good. Really good. And it's really good on popcorn, fries. It's a really good rub. But he was telling me that his seasonings are named after the women in his family. This one is his mother's blend, and it's called Brunette. And it is really good, you guys. So like I said, I will leave the name of it in the description box below. Some of you guys here in Kansas City may know him, but still go and check him out if you haven't already. It is really good. And he has several of them. He has, oh, excuse me, marinades and other blends of seasonings. And so you guys go check him out. Check him out and tell him Shae sent you. Not that it's worth anything, but it don't hurt to try. So, what else has been going on in everybody's life? Shout out to MJ and J family. Y'all go and check my homegirl Monica out. Jayla and Jamil. That's her and her 2 kids. They are over there getting it. She shouted out my channel for the month of June, and I really love her for that. Thank you, Monica. I appreciate it. She's a sweetheart, y'all. I enjoy watching them. And I want to thank her for that. For her support. That was nice of her. Because she didn't have to do it. I don't really post that many videos a week. I don't hardly post ever, but I do enjoy doing it, and I love the support. I thank all the new subscribers that came over from her channel to check me out, check out my videos. I will be posting more. I've just been really, really busy, you guys, and I just hope that you guys understand that. I be busy, y'all. I do. Not that you guys don't, but I'm just explaining to you guys why I haven't been making any videos. I already told you guys about the editing process. Blah, blah, blah. Anywho. So I've been catching up on my shows here these last couple of days. I've been watching Loving You, If Loving You Is Wrong. And that's crazy. You guys, let me move this big ass bowl out y'all face. Teasing y'all. Voila. Here I am. So anyway, Loving You Is Wrong. And yeah, they going out with a bang. They are serious. You hear me? They are serious. I won't spill the beans on the show for those of you that are just now watching or haven't caught the last couple of episodes. It's really good though, you guys. They getting off up in there. They really are. And so another show I've been watching is The Chi. And it's good as heck. It's good as heck. It really is. It's really based on everything that is going on in Chicago now with all the violence and gang violence and drugs. It's good, you guys. It really is. So, I'm in a group on Facebook and they just post what to watch for the week and that's what you watch. And then you come back later on at the end of the week and you discuss it. And so that's pretty cool, you know. They ask questions and you answer them and tell them your opinion and what you think. So that's real good. Greenleaf just started over. Yeah, this ain't gonna be good. And I know we only got one show. We only watching one. But I can really tell they going out with a bang too. Yes, ma'am. Fry some sausage. These shrimp are good. So, I've been off to that for the last couple of days. So it's a pajama jam. I hope you guys got your pajamas on. I got mine on. I wrinkled and everything, but I'm going to bed. I'm going to get a little clip of my brother's wedding Saturday and show you guys how my family and I get down, how we have fun. So the protesting and everything is slowed down here in Kansas City. Thank God. You know, it was starting to get a little dangerous. Y'all, this is really not a dipping sauce. It's just really the juice from the boil that I made, but it's good. It's good and thick. Have onions in it, garlic. Uh-oh. I'm back. Sorry, y'all, about that. My niece coming home. They all went out and got their nails done for the wedding. Her and the bride. And my niece. My other niece. Anywho. I want you to know, you guys, that I really missed you guys. My sister be saying, why don't you just do vlogs and take them with you? And I be like, do I watch people vlogs? I do. I watch their vlogs. But just an all-day vlog, I don't want to do that. What y'all think? I mean, if y'all want me to, I will. Because I watch people vlogs, but it'd be short, like them having lunch in the car or something like that. She was saying I should record for the, you know, my day. I don't know about all that. But if y'all want me to, I will. Anything for you, boo. Fruit fly. What else is going on, y'all? What in the... I just love meat every day I'm wearing. So anyway, you guys. What's all's been going on? I was hungry, so I had to do this. And this is a lot. Y'all saw that. That's a lot. But whatever I don't eat, I'll freeze it and put it up. I might eat it tomorrow. But I think I'm going to be too busy tomorrow to eat it. I'll just freeze it. But you just freeze a Ziploc bag. When you get ready to eat it, that's what you do. Pop it in the microwave. Boom. Yes, and it's still good. It tastes even better. I promise. I had to record in my living room because we got stuff laid out everywhere. My boys' suits or dresses. But it's nice and cozy right here. I like it right here. It's comfortable. I'm okay if you okay. Yeah, oh, I gotta tell y'all this. Lately though, y'all, like the last couple of times I ate seafood, I had an allergic reaction. And this last time, potatoes. This last time it was bad. Now, I was never told I was allergic to seafood, but a lot of people say I might be eating too much of it. So, I know y'all like to watch people eat seafood, but if I break out this time, I'm taking a chance. I'm taking a chance on my lovely Shae Nations, just so I can come and chit chat and talk to y'all. I had to have something to eat, because I missed y'all so much. Anyway, guys, so that's all been going on, you guys. Tell me what you guys been up to. Leave it in the comments. I would like to hear it. I would like to read all about it. There's a piece of meat just sitting here on the damn phone. It's soaked in butter. You can taste the garlic, the Old Bay. It tastes good. I ain't need no dipping sauce this time. Yeah, look, I got a long way to go. Got a couple lobster tails in here. Got more crab legs, more eggs, potatoes, sausage, shrimp. I got a lot to go. But I'll just eat a little bit with you guys. Oh my goodness, I didn't give you guys any. I'm so sorry. Here's some shrimp. Where y'all at? Can y'all see that? Okay. I be trying to get it to where to zoom in on y'all, but chill out. It's shrimp. So you guys, I won't hold you up no longer. I love you guys. I miss y'all so much. And I'm doing okay. My family is doing good. Don't forget to go and check out his website, Fieldsville Seasoning. It is really good. Y'all know I done told y'all before. I'm not even going to talk about it. And this one I did try first. It's good. It's good. Fieldsville. Here in Kansas City. It's a seasoning rub. Okay, guys. So, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a video. And until next time, I hope you guys stay safe. Excuse me. I love you guys. And I will see you soon. Bye.